If you think success still comes from climbing a slow, predictable ladder, this story will challenge that belief. Because while most people were arguing about whether AI is dangerous, an 18-year-old quietly used it to change how we understand space and caught the attention of NASA. Not after a PhD. Not after years in a lab. Before finishing high school. And the uncomfortable part. He didn't do anything magical. He simply saw what most people miss. Matteo Paz looked like a normal intern. No famous background, no elite network, no special access. Just a teenager working with telescope data that had already been studied for years. Hundreds of scientists had examined it. Thousands of hours had gone into analyzing it. Yet something massive was still hiding inside. The problem wasn't intelligence, it was scale. The telescope had collected over 200 terabytes of data, so much information that humans couldn't realistically analyze it all. Interns were expected to manually sort images, flag anomalies, double-check patterns, a process that could take months to confirm a single discovery. Most people would accept that. Matteo didn't. Instead of asking, "How do I work faster?" he asked a better question. What if humans aren't supposed to do this part at all? So instead of sorting files, he wrote code. Not to replace scientists. Not to show off. But to build an AI system that could detect patterns buried in cosmic noise, things the human eye struggles to see. Dust clouds. Faint infrared signals. Objects hidden behind debris. Slowly, the system started flagging results. First a few, then hundreds of thousands. By then, Matteo's system had identified 1.5 million previously unknown space objects. Not guesses, real objects that had been hiding in plain sight. Think about that. Humanity already had the data. The telescope worked. The science existed. What was missing wasn't knowledge. It was leverage. And leverage is exactly what AI provides. In April, Matteo's work earned him $250,000 in recognition. But the biggest moment came after. NASA leadership saw the story and responded publicly with a simple message, "Apply," followed by a joke half serious about throwing in a fighter jet ride as a signing bonus. From a high school internship to a NASA job offer in less than a year. All powered by a laptop, code, and persistence. This isn't just an inspiring story. It's a warning, because Matteo didn't succeed by working harder than everyone else. He succeeded by understanding something many people still ignore. AI doesn't reward effort anymore. It rewards perspective. For decades, success meant following a rigid path. Get the degree, wait your turn, climb slowly. Matteo didn't skip learning, he skipped waiting. He didn't ask, "What am I allowed to do?" He asked, "What part of this process is clearly broken?" That mindset is becoming more valuable than credentials, because AI doesn't replace curiosity, amplifies it. Matteo didn't outwork NASA, he outleveraged the process. And that future isn't coming. It's already here, quietly unfolding.